Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix app keep crashing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Many Apple users reported this issue, how to fix app keep crashing on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have force close the app. Sometimes force closing the app in order to solve a big problem can be really helpful whenever Facebook stops working or keep crashing on iPhone. You can make a force stop. Here is how to do it. Go to the home screen, then you have from anywhere you are, sweep up from the bottom of the screen, then you have use to see the floating window with every opened app. Swipe to the find Facebook app, then swipe up to close it. Now go to the home screen again, and then you have open the Facebook app. Then you have, while using the Facebook app, then you have double tap home button, then you have close, and then you have restart, then your problem will be fixed. Second solution, you have update the app. So then you have open the app store, then 2 seconds wait, and then you have click on app store ID, then you have update from all app from here. Then third solution, you have disable low power mode. So then you have open the setting, and then you have click on battery, and then disable turn off low power mode. I have already turned off. Then fourth solution, you have offload and reinstall the app. So then you have open the general, then you have click on iPhone storage. So then you have click on any app. So then you have offload and reinstall from here. So then you have offload, and then a few seconds wait, and then reinstall from here. Then other solution in the uh, force the restart of your iPhone. Then app keep crashing on your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Last solution, you have update iOS to the latest version on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, and then click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you have must be installed on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.